Welcome to Tax Reminder, a service where you'll receive timely reminders for federal and state tax forms and where you can store your filing history. In this video, I'll show you how to get started. Alright, let's start a free 60-day trial. Simply enter your email, your name or your company, your state, your password, and let's go. You'll notice no credit card required. It's absolutely free for the first 60 days. Okay, great. Registration successful. Now we have to check our email. Okay, here we go. I've got the confirmation. I just simply click the confirmation, and in there I click Activate Account Now. If you don't receive this email, make sure to check your spam folder. Alright, let's go. Great, my account is now activated and I can log in. Alright, click the login button. And we're logged in. The very first page we get to is our reminders page. On this page, you'll see available reminders for the United States IRS forms and for the state that you selected when you signed up. You can also add additional states. Let's say you operate in Alaska and you also want to file tax forms there. Alright, Alaska has been added. Now that I've added the states that I operate in, I can add some of these forms to my reminders. So I want to see what these forms are about. I can click the link here, and it will just give me a description of that form along with the next time I would receive a reminder, the next time there's a filing due date. Okay, let's add this one. And let's also add a couple US IRS forms. We know we have to do a W-2, we know we have to do a W-3, and why not just add a couple Nevada forms as well. Okay, so as you see, as we add these forms, they are added to our reminders over here. And this just shows us the upcoming due dates for a variety of forms. And if we want to remove one of these because we know we don't need to file it, just click the edit button and then remove reminder. And our list updates here. And the way this works then is as these filing dates come up a month out and then on the day that they're due, you'll receive a reminder email. Let's take a look at that now. So I'll go over to my email client, and in my inbox I see these following filings due in the next month. Alright, today is November 2nd, and I see I've got this modified business tax due today and a quarterly bond and contribution report. And also, if you start adding more filings, you'll see the ones that are due in the next 90 days as well. Alright, let's assume that I've gone ahead and I've filed those. So our next step is we can go to our filing history, which shows us all the different forms that we can file. So by default, we're showing all the forms for 2015, but let's narrow this down to just November for these forms we just filed. Here they are. Okay, and let's just say that we filed these on October 30th, a little bit early. Okay, got that one done, it's marked as filed, and we've got this one done, it's marked as filed. Another feature we offer is the ability to add a link for the forms that you filed. Say you've created a copy of this form, and you've saved it over at Dropbox, and you've got your link. All you do is you click here, paste that link into this box, save it, and now you have that link. So if you check back later, you can go and you can click it to see a copy of what you've filed. Great. And another thing you can do is you can add notes to this form. Let's say I want to note to myself that I paid 5 employees' salaries on this one. Save that, and now I've got some quick reference information for the future. Alright, that's the tax reminder service in a nutshell. You just select your tax forms, you customize your tax calendar by adding reminders, we email you those reminders, and then you come back and you mark your taxes filed, and then you can look back and see notes and links that you've saved and when you filed. Our team also works tirelessly to keep our database of tax forms up to date. As of publishing, we have almost 500 forms for the United States and the 50 states. So if you're ready, join thousands of other businesses and start your free 60-day trial now. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the service.